Hi everyone! Experiment 9 is colligative properties, freezing point depression, and molar mass determination. Several important properties of solutions depend on the number of solid particles in the solution and not on the nature of the solid particles. These properties are called colligative properties because they all depend on the number of solid particles present, whether these particles are atoms, molecules, or ions. The colligative properties are vapor pressure lowering, boiling point elevation, freezing point depression, and osmotic pressure. In this experiment, you will determine the freezing point of pure naphthalene and the freezing point of a solution containing a weighed amount of sulfur in naphthalene. You will then determine the molar mass of the sulfur using the colligative property of freezing point depression. Freezing point depression is the phenomenon that describes why adding a solute to a solvent results in the lowering of the freezing point of the solvent. The dissolved solutes can be electrolytes or non-electrolytes. Electrolytes are solutes that dissociate into ions when dissolved in solution to give an electrically conducting solution. Non-electrolytes are molecules that remain intact when they dissolve in water. The equation describing the change in freezing point from pure solvent to solution is, in this equation, delta T sub F is the freezing point depression. The decrease in freezing point is proportional to the molar concentration M of the solute present in the solution. K sub F is the freezing point depression constant, and I is the Van Hoff factor. The freezing point depression constant changes depending on the solvent, and the Van Hoff factor accounts for the number of particles that a dissolving solute creates in solution. And that's all for the experiment. Let me end by this quote from a former US President, Theodore Roosevelt: "Do what you can with all you have where you are." Until next time, goodbye and God bless everyone.